Can we predict the future of the AI industry by looking at other tech industries? I think we can. Let's do it together. AI, large language models, are a general purpose technology. You know what also is a general purpose technology? Databases. LLMs and databases are very similar from a certain point of view. They're both very useful, but very hard to use. So what happens? People take this technology and turn them into a generic tool that anybody can use very easily. For databases, that will be Excel, it's a database, and for AI, that's ChatGPT. Obviously, what happens is that people start to come up with use cases, and some use cases are common patterns. For instance, you can use a database to store all your customer data, which becomes the CRM industry. Technically, a CRM is just a database with a nice user interface. But giant companies like Salesforce and HubSpot came out of this. It's a $90 billion industry. So what about the application-specific AI tool industry? There's not much yet. There are some tools like Jasper for social media content creation, but this is where we're gonna see massive growth. And this is what pisses me off. A lot of people say, oh yeah, but these are just wrappers around ChatGPT. Sure, and so does a CRM. A CRM is a wrapper around a database. It's still a huge industry. People have problems. If you build a product to solve these problems, you make a lot of money. That's it. So I think this is where the AI industry is going, and I think this is where startups should focus on to make bling bling, and this is where enterprises should start thinking. Would you build your own CRM? No, you wouldn't. You would buy it. Then would you build your own AI-specific technology to do whatever? No, you will buy it at some point. Start with ChatGPT and then build it from there. What do you think?